Are you looking for the best dash cams under $100? In this video we will look at some of the best dash cams under $100 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. K2 Pro 11.3 inches dash cam. The OBD K2 Pro has a crazy built-in system, CarPlay system, Android Auto system, and has added a dual lens to meet all your car driving needs. 11.3-inch ultra-wide-angle full-view touchscreen, capturing license plates, road signs, and other critical details on the road. Very clear and smooth images display as like a stream flowing on the excellent WDR streaming mirror, supports simultaneous one-to-one display of front and rear cameras. This time, we have upgraded to a larger screen, which is a significant improvement compared to K2 10.26 inches. A larger screen is conducive to navigation viewing, more high-end, and brings you unprecedented enjoyment. After connecting the GPS module, the DVR will display the speed, and record the speed, coordinates, and track. Dedicated player, more detailed playback display. You can view your speed, coordinates, track in detail. Number 2. AZDOME M300S 4K dashcam. 4K dashcam could accurately record route and driving speed information of vehicle. User could view video through AZDOME GPS player. On dashcam provides 5.8 GHz high-speed transmission. User could view dashcam video in real time through AZDOME app. Dashcam voice control function could help to enhance your focus on driving. User could operate dashcam through instructions. User could make order by speaking, take picture, lock the video, turn on Wi-Fi and etc. Dashcam front and rear provide f1.8 aperture. Dual dash camera could clearly record vehicle status at night. 4K dashcam provides collision detection function. Dashcam will automatically start recording and locking video for 1 minute. Emergency video from dashcam will not be overwritten. Please format SD card at first time using for your 4K dashcam. 4K dash camera comes with a free 64GB micro SD card. User don't need to purchase an SD card separately. Number 3. VIOFO A119V3 2K 60 FPS car dash cam. A119V3 dash cam GPS adopts advanced 5MP IMX 335 Sony Starvis sensor and f1.67G lens, at 2160p QHD+. Resolution and 60-30 frames per second. The car camera shoots in stunning quality during the day and night, making it easier to read license plates and capture incidents with superb clarity. Its 140-degree angle prevents a fisheye view while still providing a wide view of the road. A119V3 dashcam has a revolutionary improvement on parking mode. There are 3 solutions under the parking mode to meet different needs: auto event detection, time-lapse, low bitrate recording. When you choose auto event detection, buffered parking mode function will work automatically to record 15s before the event and 30s after the event. This feature requires HK3 ACC hardwire cable. Optional, it will turn the camera on or off through ACC signal. With GPS module optional, A119V3 dash camera will record real-time speed, time and GPS route in the video file, allowing compatible viewers to display the data on playback, and a date and time stamp embedded onto the recorded footage provide further additional evidence. Come with Sony Starvis 5MP image sensor, provide a much clearer image than most dash cameras at night. HDR function can automatically balance the lighting at over bright and over dark area, capture clear license plate even under strong car lights at night. Number 4. M500 car DVR dash camera. Equipped with the 170 degrees extra wide FOV, the dashcam M500 gives you a wider viewing angle and minimizes blind spot, which can better capture actions on both sides of your car. The 5-megapixel camera of the dashcam M500 records in 2592 by 1944p, which is 2.5 times clearer than 1080p HD. Equipped with the HDR high dynamic range technology, the 70 MEI dashcam M500 can capture details including road signs and car plates under any lighting conditions. The HDR helps M500 to automatically adjust exposure under different lighting conditions, producing well-illuminated images wherever you go. The 70 MEI dashcam M500 identifies the feature of 24H parking monitoring by enabling loop recording, emergency recording, and time-lapse recording. With the built-in G sensor, the dashcam M500 can detect sudden shakes or collisions and notifies you with the voice alert when you get back to the vehicle and turn on the dashcam. No worry about any evidential moments being lost. The new recordings on M500 can automatically overwrite older ones when the memory card reaches full capacity. Moreover, the new 70 MEI dashcam M500 supports time-lapse recording, which enables compress 30 minutes of footage into 1 minute, enabling long-period continuous recording that takes up 1/30 the storage space as in the regular recording. Number 5. A500S1 car DVR front cam. Outstanding image quality with high resolution of 2592 x 1944, capturing license plates, road signs, and other critical details on the road. Compatible with the RC06 rear camera, the Pro++ can achieve dual-channel recording, providing all-round protection so you can drive with peace of mind. In dual-channel mode, the front camera maintains up to 1944p resolution. The rear camera records in 1080p. The Pro Plus is equipped with Sony IMX335 image sensor, making it an extraordinary camera for your recording. 3D DNR and WDR significantly improve image clarity by reducing noise and adjusting exposure balance when recording in low light or high contrast environments. F1.8 large aperture pulls in more light to brighten up dark scenes. Monitors and displays real-time trip data including time, speed kilometers per hour, miles per hour, and coordinates. Tracks the exact location of an accident if one should occur, crucial for roadside assistance and insurance claims. Keep monitoring when you are away. The built-in G sensor can detect sudden shakes or collisions while your car is stationary, and will automatically start recording to capture any potential incidents. If an emergency video is recorded, the dashcam will notify you through voice alert once it's turned back on. Number 6. LINGDU LDO6 dashcam. The videos and pictures can be viewed and downloaded to the smartphone through the dashcam's Wi-Fi and LINGDU app. No need to take out the TF card to check on the computer. By the way, the dashcam's Wi-Fi cannot be connected to internet, it just supports about 9 FTS for your to connect to phone. Especially, the 5.8 GHz band Wi-Fi can make your mobile phone connect to LDO6 more quickly and stably. GPS will record driving route, includes the information of position, speed, longitude and latitude, which also can be shown on the video along with the date and time stamp. It supports English voice control to free your hand, such as take picture, and open, turn off recording. Keep monitoring when you are away. The built-in G sensor can detect sudden shakes or collisions while your car is stationary, and will automatically start recording to capture any potential incidents. If an emergency video is recorded, the dashcam will notify you through voice alert once it's turned back on. Number 7. LINGDU AM100 dashcam. The data rate is much higher than 2.4 GHz, less susceptible to interference, improving the connection between the driving recorder and the app. View/download/share video files easily with LINGDU app, iOS/Android available. It can not only save evidence, but also provide convenience for you to share the scenery of your journey on social media. For safe driving, a hands-free voice function is designed. You can use the driving recorder with voice commands. Keep it simple with hands-free voice commands for effortless control. Built-in GPS accurately records your driving location, driving route and driving speed. track GPS data on PC with GPS player. This upgrade effectively avoids potential issues like black screens and freezing during use. It offers better connectivity, data transfer speed, compatibility, and durability, ensuring longer lasting usage.